Hey you guys, I'm here at 1009 Dean Hill Road in Monroe, Georgia, and I'm so excited to share this with you. This is a chance to own a little bit of history close to downtown Monroe. This house has been lovingly restored and was once a 1940s bungalow. When we were literally raising the roof in the kitchen to vault the ceiling, we made a pretty cool discovery in the home's history. We found some of the original 1940s shiplap, and we were able to use it here with this framed area over the cedar mantle. It's a nod to the home's history. The farmhouse kitchen features vaulted ceilings, shiplap, quartz countertops, an apron sink with commercial restaurant-style faucet and sprayer, subway tile, and a custom wooden vent hood. Another unique feature of this home, which I really love, is this tin. It's actually upcycled and part of the home's original history. We were able to create this cubby here in the mudroom laundry room. The master bedroom with remodeled bath features quartz vanity and tiled shower. The home features LVP luxury flooring throughout the main, new carpet in the bedrooms. The guest bath has been remodeled with quartz vanity and shower and tub combo. This large 1.2 acre lot is private, wooded, and has an outbuilding and lean-to for storage or a workshop with electrical. The yard is pool ready and has a fenced dog pen. The rear of the home has a new concrete patio for grilling and entertaining. This is a desired area on Dean Hill Road with charming farmhouses and lake views across the street. There's no HOA and the property features a second drive. For more information about this house and other properties, just visit soldbytheprinceGroup.com.